Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slideshow using Next Buttons in ActionScript 2.0 on Adobe Flash CS4. Let's get started. First of all, let's make a quick background. I'm just going to make it black. You can make it any colour you want. Right. So basically what we need to do is make a Next button. To do this, you can either use a graphic off the internet or just simply create a simple next and previous button. Go make it white. So now you have the next button. Try and get the size of the text right within the borders of your text box, and then now press F8 to convert it to a symbol and convert to button. You don't really need to change the name of the symbol, but I would just put next underscore BTN so you know it's a button. So now you've made the button. What you need to do is press F9 and the actions will pop up. This is where you put your script in. So what you need to do is on dot brackets, sorry I made a mistake, on brackets release, and then open curly colon curly bracket, go back, go to and stop whichever frame you want. I'll just say number 2 and then enter and close curly brackets. Lowercase and high case is very important. I'll put the code in the description, so make sure you copy everything into exactly what I say. Right, so now we've got the code. If we press on it again, it remembers the code. So now we need a previous button. So I think I'll just copy and paste this one, the next button, double click, and it'll then come up, and then double click again on the text and it'll be able to edit it. Oop, mistake. Sorry, that doesn't work. Right, you'll have to make it from scratch. So just put it there, previous or last, it's up to you what you want to say. So now you do exactly the same, F8 previous underscore BTN F9 on release, open curly brackets, go to and stop 1, and then close curly brackets. So there you go. So now you need to import your pictures. I'm going to import it to library. You can import the stage if you want, but if you've got quite a lot, I would advise importing the library and then going from there. So let's have a look. Oh, I got this by another YouTube user, Digital Conduct. Check out his profile. He's got a really good pack, as you can see. I think I'll just click on one in Flash, hopefully. No, it doesn't. Right. Sometimes Flash you need to select more than one file, and Flash will recognize that it's part of a sequence of pictures, and it'll ask if you want to import them all. hopefully. No, doesn't matter. Right, we've got 5 images. So what you need to do is import your image. If it's too big, Control T. Nice picture. Change the size, transform it. I'll go for that. Change the size to whatever you want, doesn't really matter. So now you need to insert insert keyframe on down at the timeline on the second frame. Delete your photo. Double click. Not double click. Go back onto your next button. Press F9 and change the go to and stop to 3. It's because you're already on frame 2 and you need to go to the next picture. So then import your next picture. Control T. 25. Put 25. So there you go. And you can do this with as many pictures as you want. I'll just do another one. Delete the picture. Change the code to frame 4. And then insert a picture from the library. If you're wondering how to insert pictures from the library, just drag and drop into the stage and that should be fine. So now if you want to import images, you go to File, Import a stage, fetches it straight out of the window, import a library, fetches it there. So you can should be alright. For the first and last frame you don't need the next button because it's not going to continue. And you need to change the code on this to frame 2. This is for the previous button, or it'll just go back to the start. And on the first frame you don't actually need a previous button because there's nothing to go to. So there you go. Just check the coding on this previous button. So it's alright. Just a test. Control and enter. Oh, sorry. One thing I forgot to say was just click outside of any object in the stage and press F9, and you need to put stop, normal brackets, open and close, and then semicolon. This will just stop the movie from playing on and not stopping, and that will allow you to use the buttons. So let's check it now. Right, there you go. Next. Pretty good. Next. Works. Hope you enjoyed this. It's Tech Wizard for you. Please subscribe and rate 5 stars. Cheers.